Welcome to Melbourne Innovation Centre's Business Incubator. Let me show you through. This is our co-working space where MIC entrepreneurs have a dedicated desk space. Some of the activities that we do here are our accountability sessions and our monthly book club. It's a space where you can connect with other entrepreneurs to learn from each other and opportunities happen. This is one of our office spaces. It's perfect for small teams and you can furnish it any way you like. I'll take you to the next part. This is one of our kitchens. Here you'll find our community notice board, printers, and most importantly, our coffee machine. This is our training room. This is where we run our workshops and you can even run your own event here. It's a great space to connect, relax, and unwind with other entrepreneurs. Need a breath of fresh air? Step out into our Zen garden. It's the perfect spot to relax, unwind, and find inspiration. This is our boardroom. It's a great space for larger team meetings, for collaboration, brainstorming, and to meet with clients. Apply today and join our community of entrepreneurs. We can't wait to see where the incubator takes you.